Very good morning, students. I hope you all are doing good in your studies and revised your previous chapters. Today, we are going to start our chapter 13, which is monuments. So, let's learn about them without wasting any further time. The name of our chapter is monuments, and the topics which we will discuss in this are monuments, preservation of monuments. Now, monuments क्या होते हैं? India has a long and rich history. Various rulers from different cultures have ruled our country at different times. यानी कि इंडिया को बहुत सारे different rulers ने different times पे rule किया है. They have built many beautiful structures in memory of a person और an event. उन्होंने क्या किया है? अलग अलग तरीके के monuments को create किया है in our history. किसी ने for their loved ones or for other events. These structures are called monuments. They tell us about the architecture, social, political, and religious life, as well as the traditions of the people living in those times. Monuments include buildings, forts, places, gravestones, statues, gates, or religious structures, जैसे temples, mosques, church, गुरुद्वारा या फिर stupas. Now, ताजमहल. ताजमहल एक बहुत फेमस मॉन्यूमेंट है इन इंडिया. ताजमहल का मतलब होता है प्राइड ऑफ द पैलेस. यानी कि ताजमहल वाज बिल्ट बाय मुगल एम्परर शाहजहां इन द मेमोरी ऑफ हिज वाइफ मुमताज महल. जो शाहजहां थे उन्होंने अपनी वाइफ की मेमोरी में इसको बनवाया था. ही समन्ड द बेस्ट आर्टिस्ट एंड आर्किटेक्ट्स फ्रॉम इंडिया, टर्की, पर्शिया एंड अरेबिया ताकि वो इस मॉन्यूमेंट को बनवा सके. इट टुक more than 20,000 men working over a period of approximately 20 years to construct the Taj Mahal. Now, जो Taj Mahal है वो located है in Agra on the banks of river Yamuna. This famous building is made of white marble and stands on a 22 feet high marble platform. It is an 8-sided structure. ये 8-sided structure है. The marble wall of the Taj Mahal and are inlaid with black marble inscriptions from the Quran. Now, India Gate Delhi में है. It was built in 1931 to pay homage to the soldiers of the Indian armed forces who lost their lives during the World War I. It was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens, the name of the soldiers who died fighting for the country. ऐसे soldiers जिन्होंने कंट्री के लिए फाइट करते करते उनकी डेथ हो गई. दे आर inscribed on the walls of the gate. After India's independence, जो इंडिया गेट था, it becomes the Indian Army's tomb of the unknown soldiers. Next is Qutub Minar. So Qutub Minar कहाँ पे है? It is in Delhi and it is the highest stone tower in India. This monument is 72.5 meters high and has 379 steps from top to bottom. Qutbuddin Aibak started the construction of Qutub Minar in 1193 and his successor Iltutmish completed it. It is made of red sandstone. It is said that Qutub Minar originally had 7 stories, but now only 5 remain. Each story has a balcony. Now, Sanchi Stupa. ये क्या है? सांची स्तूपा एक बुद्धिस्ट पैलेस है of worship. And Sanchi Stupa is one of the oldest surviving monuments in the Buddhist period. The stupa consists of solid hemispherical stone and a wooden dome surrounded by 4 gateways. इस डोम के पास 4 gateways हैं. These gateways जो है ये depict करते हैं various stories from Lord Buddha's life from the Jataka tales. Pilgrims and visitors from all over the world came to see Sanchi Stupa. Now it is an activity which says name the following monuments. So this stupa relics of Lord Buddha. So we will write here. So it is Sanchi Stupa. We will write here. Next is it was built in the memory of Queen Victoria. Victoria Memorial. Next is highest gate of India. India Gate. Moving forward to Jantar Mantar. Now, Jantar Mantar क्या है? It is also situated in Delhi. It was built by Raja Savai Jai Singh, and the special building was used by astronomers to observe the stars, the weather, etc. Now, Sun Temple. Sun Temple was built by the Ganga king Narasimha Deva one in the 13th century, and the grand temple is dedicated to the sun god. The temple shows the chariot of the sun god pulled by seven carved horses representing the seven colors of light. There are two rows of 12 wheels. यहाँ पे दो rows हैं 12 wheels की. Around 12,000 laborers and craftsmen worked for 12 years to complete the temple. Next is Kailash Temple. Kailash Temple is situated in the Ellora caves in Aurangabad, Maharashtra. Kailash Temple is one of the greatest wonders because it has been carved out of single rock and mountains of Ellora. Hard granite को use किया गया है यहाँ पे to carve the sculptures, and the carvings of the walls and pillars speak about many different aspects of myths and beliefs associated with Lord Shiva. Next is Lotus Temple. So Lotus Temple situated at Delhi mein. It is an architectural masterpiece of the Baha'i faith. Its shape is like a half-open lotus flower. The temple is made of marble, dolomite, cement and sand. Next is your activity, which says identify and name the following monuments. Mention the city where they are located. So we will mention it. So the very first here is our Sanchi Stupa, and ये कहाँ पे है? It is in city known as Sanchi only. Next is our Jantar Mantar, and its city is Delhi. The next is Sun Temple, and the name of the city in which it is located is Konark in Odisha. Now moving forward to the preservation of monuments. Monuments की preservation कैसे होती है? Monuments जो है वो part है एक rich heritage का. These are the great interest and values to tourists, scholars, students, etc. So they must be preserved, conserved and restored. Now जो government होती है इंडिया की वो constitute करती है archaeological surveys of India ताकि वो protect और preserve कर सके हमारे monuments को. It is our duty to follow the under mentioned steps to save our monuments. जैसे never write on the walls and pillars of the monuments. Do not throw eatables or wrappers around the historical site or monument. Never throw garbage or spit on these historical monuments as they are the wealth of our nation. It is the duty of every citizen to keep them clean and tidy. Never try to harm these structures in any way. It is your grocery where pride means the respect that you have for yourself. Monument means an old building or other place that is historical, that has a historical importance. Inscription means words that are written or carved on something. Let's review the chapter. Qutub Minar is in Delhi. India Gate was designed by Sir Edwin Lutyens. Sanchi Stupa is the Buddhist place of worship. Sun Temple has two rows of 12 wheels. Never write on the walls or pillars of the monuments. And Lotus Temple is an architectural masterpiece of Baha'i faith. Let's do the exercise. First is tick the correct option. Taj Mahal was built by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan. Dash is the highest stone tower in India. Qutub Minar. India is called the land of monuments. Dash temple is situated in Ellora caves. So it is the Kailash temple. We will mark here. Next is Jantar Mantar is situated in Delhi. Now fill in the blanks. The Sun temple was built by the Ganga king Narasimha Deva 1. The Dash temple is situated in Delhi. Lotus. Jantar Mantar is situated in Delhi. Dash is one of the oldest surviving monuments in the Buddhist period. Sanchi Stupa. Dash is the highest stone tower in India. Qutub Minar. Next is true false. Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan constructed Taj Mahal in the memory of his wife Mumtaz Mahal. True. Sanchi Stupa is the Buddhist place of worship which is hemispherical in shape. True. Next is Jantar Mantar was not built by Raja Savai Jai Singh. False. Sun temple is dedicated to Buddhist god. False. So students, this was your complete chapter about monuments. I hope it is clear to you. Do revise it and also learn them with the exercise. I will see you in your next video with next chapter. Till then, take care. Bye bye.